Hi guys, so today we're going to be lowering the car. Yan, this right here is a Vios na 2018 3rd gen. We're going to be lowering the car using a set of LNT na lowering spring. So yan. So this right here is for the Vios. Now of course, before we lower the car, we're going to be checking the stock height. In this case, yan, stock pa siya, stock springs. And at the moment, I would say that this is roundabout like the siguro mga 4 fingers na gap sa front fender. And at the back, it's just about the same 4-finger gap front and back. So later, we're going to be installing this set of lowering springs and titingnan natin kung gaano siyang bababa. So tara, let's go. Okay, so at this point yan, tatanggal ko na yung gulong. Tatanggalin ko na lang tong front shock para makabit na yung lowering spring. We were able to finally get the front shock absorber out. Yan, it's now out of the car. Tapos yan, ito yung difference between the stock spring and the lowering spring from LNT. So yan, malaki rin yung difference. Alright, so we are done with the right side of the car. Yan, nakakabit na yung lowering spring. So we're going to proceed with yan, the left side front. So tara, gawin natin. And just like that, nakakabit na yung both the left side and right side sa front. Tapos yun, ito na lang dalawa ang ikakabit, and these two are for the rear. So tara, kalasin na natin yung likod. So just an update, yan, natanggal ko na yung spring sa likod. And ito yung stock spring on the left side of the car. And just a quick comparison, that's the stock spring. Tapos this right here is the LNT lowering spring. So yan, yun yung difference nila sa length.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I installed the lowering spring on my car, and yan, ito na yung naging result. So before, I had like 4-finger gap on all 4 sides, pero right now I now have I would say 2-finger gap. 2-finger gap sa harapan, and on both sides, of course, 2-finger gap. And sa rear, I would say just about 2-finger gap, pero yun, loaded naman yung likod ko. So yun, so I would say 2-finger gap on all 4 sides. And I would really have to say that it made a lot of difference as far as the look is concerned. Yun, so I really like it. So yun, there you go. Again, this video is for us to just see kung ganong ibababa yung sasakyan if we were to use an LNT lowering spring sa Vios. So I'll be posting more videos about this car. You guys stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.